Rice, that tiny grain that has accompanied humanity since ancient times, is much more than just a staple food. From the fertile plains of China to the rice paddies of India, its cultivation has been an art and a tradition passed down through generations. Its story is a fascinating tale of adaptation, resilience, and diversity, reflecting not only the evolution of agriculture, but also the development of the cultures that have embraced it. Imagine a world without rice. For many, this would be an unimaginable scenario. This cereal, cultivated in over 100 countries, has been the sustenance for billions. With more than 40,000 varieties, rice is a true testament to human creativity in the kitchen. Each type of rice has its own personality. Jasmine, with its floral fragrance, basmati with its fluffy texture, and arborio, which turns into a creamy risotto when cooked. This amazing variety allows rice to adapt to different dishes and traditions, making it a blank canvas for cooks around the globe. In Asia, rice is not just a food, it is a symbol of life and prosperity. In many Asian cultures, the rice harvest is celebrated with festivals that honor the land and the hard work of farmers. During these celebrations, rice becomes a central element, not only on the table, but also in rituals that seek to give thanks to the gods for abundance. In Japan, for example, rice is so sacred that it is used in religious ceremonies and is considered a gift from the gods. In fact, the word for rice in Japanese, gohan, also means meal, highlighting its significance in daily life. But rice is not limited to Asia. In Europe, rice has found its place in iconic dishes such as Spanish paella and Italian risotto. Paella, originating from Valencia, is a visual and gustatory feast where rice is mixed with seafood, meat, and vegetables, creating an explosion of flavors that represents the diversity of Spanish culture. On the other hand, risotto, with its creamy texture, is a dish that requires patience and technique, a true homage to the dedication involved in cooking with rice. In both cases, rice acts as a binder of flavors, uniting disparate ingredients into a harmonious culinary experience. In Latin America, rice also holds a prominent place. From arroz con pollo in Colombia to arroz con frijoles in Brazil, this cereal has become a staple in the daily diet of many nations. In the Caribbean, arroz con habichuelas is an iconic dish that blends the richness of African culture with Spanish influence. Each region has found its own way to incorporate rice into its cuisine, adapting it to local ingredients and the tastes of its people. In addition to its role in cooking, rice offers a range of nutritional benefits that should not be overlooked. As a source of complex carbohydrates, it provides sustained energy, making it an ideal food for everyone, from students to athletes. Its low-fat content and ease of digestion make it a safe choice for those with gastrointestinal issues. Brown rice, in particular, is a nutritional gem. By preserving its bran, it offers a high fiber content, B vitamins, and essential minerals. Incorporating brown rice into your daily diet can contribute to better digestive health and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. However, beyond its health benefits and versatility in the kitchen, rice also has the power to bring people together. In many cultures, sharing a meal of rice is an act of communion and friendship. On family tables, rice is served as a symbol of abundance and hospitality. Whether in an intimate dinner or a grand celebration, the act of sharing a rice dish creates bonds that transcend words. It serves as a reminder that in a world often divided, food can be a bridge that unites people. And if you want to explore the world of rice at its finest, there's one place you can't miss: Cantina 33, located at Calle Campomanes 5, Madrid. This restaurant is a true paradise for rice lovers. Its carefully crafted menu offers a variety of dishes that highlight the versatility of this grain. From a delicious risotto that turns every bite into a creamy experience to a paella that captures the essence of Spanish tradition. Each dish is a celebration of rice and culinary skill. Cantina 33 is not just about enjoying a meal. It's a gastronomic experience that invites diners to rediscover rice in a unique way. The cozy atmosphere of the restaurant, combined with the friendliness of its staff, ensures that every visit is memorable. Here, rice is not simply a side dish. It's the star of the show, an ingredient that shines in every plate and invites diners to dive into a culinary adventure. So the next time you sit at the table and enjoy a dish of rice, remember that you're savoring a food that has come a long way throughout history. From the rice fields in Asia to the kitchens of Cantina 33 in Madrid, rice is a symbol of diversity, culture, and unity. It reminds us that, although culinary traditions may vary from one place to another, the love for food and community is a universal language that we all share.